In my line of business, I often get clients that tell me, why should I buy that tool or that integration from you? I mean, I have engineers, I can ask them to make me a tool or make me an integration. It's going to be free. But is it really free? Of course not. You have to spend time to learn how to do it yourself, to internalize that knowledge. That takes time, that takes efforts, that takes money. But people say, well, it's an investment, right? Yeah, but that investment needs to be maintained. You need to keep on investing in order to stay abreast of the latest technology. So it's not something that you just pay once and use forever. You still need to pay over and over again. In the meantime, it's also an opportunity cost. You have resources dedicated on that project that would not have been there otherwise. So there are other projects that you cannot undertake during that time, projects that could have been more profitable to your company. Finally, there's something to be said about focus. If you're doing everything and nothing, then you're losing focus and you're losing your edge in the market. You're losing your competitive advantage. So this is a thing. You need to decide what is critical, what do I absolutely have to have internally, and what can actually be done cheaper and faster by subcontractors or to vendors.